Portable carpet cleaners have become increasingly popular among pet owners, homeowners, and even car enthusiasts. But many of these compact cleaners often feel limited rather than proper deep cleaning. But the UWANT Y100 Steam aims to change all of that. Instead of simply spraying water and vacuuming it up back, the Y100 Steam combines steam cleaning, hot water washing, and 18,000 PA of suction in one compact machine. The result is a cleaning tool that promises deeper stain removal, faster drying, and better sanitation for upholstery, carpets, mattresses, and even car interiors. So, let's get into it. At first glance, the Y100 Steam already looks more refined than your typical portable extraction cleaner. Instead of a bulky industrial design, UWANT went with a cleaner and more modern aesthetic that fits nicely into smaller homes or even apartments. The machine weighs roughly 4 kilograms, making it quite easy to carry around the house or even bring down to your car. Storage is also manageable thanks to the compact footprint and the integrated hose system. One of the nicest touches is the interchangeable brush system. We get multiple cleaning heads for upholstery, steam cleaning, crevices, shoes, and more. It gives the machine much more flexibility for different types of cleaning around the house or wherever you might be. The transparent extraction head is also another small but satisfying detail. Seeing dirty water being pulled out in real time makes the cleaning process feel a lot more effective, especially when you're tackling older stains or heavily used upholstery. The standout feature of the Y100 Steam is its 3 cleaning mode system, which is standard mode, hot water mode, and steam mode. Standard mode is ideal for lighter cleaning jobs and more delicate fabrics, while the 60 degrees Celsius hot water mode works well for general upholstery and carpet cleaning. Steam mode, however, is what makes this machine particularly interesting. The steam function reaches up to 100 degrees Celsius and is designed for deep sanitation, odor removal, grease breakdown, and stubborn stain lifting. Steam mode also helps reduce bacteria, dust mites, and allergens without heavily relying on chemicals. This makes the Y100 Steam especially appealing for homes that have pets, kids, or fabric furniture that tends to absorb odor over time. The advertised 18,000 PA of suction power isn't just marketing fluff. The Y100 Steam extracts a surprising amount of dirty water while leaving surfaces noticeably drier than most portable cleaners. That strong extraction performance helps minimize one of the biggest problems with portable carpet cleaners: oversaturating products and leaving them damp for hours. For everyday spills like coffee, mud, juice, and food stains, the machine appears highly effective even in just hot water mode alone. Steam mode becomes especially useful for pet urine stains, sofa odors, mattress sanitations, kitchen grease, and other older embedded stains that might be hard to come off. How this works is that the steam loosens dirt quickly enough that less scrubbing is needed overall, making the cleaning process feel faster and a lot less tiring. Another major advantage is the versatility. Beyond carpets and upholstery, the Y100 Steam can also tackle car interior, mattresses, fabric chairs and sofas, just like this one, kitchen surfaces, and even bathroom grime, along with curtains. All of that versatility makes this feel more like a multi-purpose cleaning appliance rather than just a dedicated carpet cleaner. One of the underrated features is the self-cleaning hose function. Portable carpet cleaners can easily develop odors or mold buildup inside the hose over time due to trapped moisture and leftover cleaning solution. UWANT's self-cleaning system flushes the internal hose after use, which greatly reduces maintenance headaches and helps keep the machine fresher for long term. It's one of those features that quietly improves the ownership experience over time, so you can enjoy cleaning the house and help out maybe your family. Now, all things considered, the Y100 Steam isn't perfect. The biggest downside is the noise. Like many of the high-powered extraction cleaners, it can get fairly loud during operation. The 1.2-liter tanks are also better suited for spot cleaning than full house deep cleaning. If you're planning to clean multiple large carpets in one session, expect to refill and empty the tank several times. I mean, this is portable after all, so do keep that in mind. Steam mode also requires caution on delicate fabrics. While it's excellent for deep cleaning and sanitation, high heat may not be suitable for certain sensitive materials and adhesives. Finally, the 1,750 watt power draw in steam mode means it consumes a lot more power than a standard portable cleaner. But overall, the UWANT Y100 Steam is one of the more impressive portable carpet cleaners available today, since it solves several common frustrations people have with compact extraction cleaners. It cleans deeper than expected, dries surfaces faster than many alternatives, and adds genuine steam sanitations that expands its usefulness far beyond just simple carpets or household stuff. More importantly, it feels thoughtfully designed. Interchangeable tools, strong suction, and multi-mode cleaning setup makes it feel like a premium appliance rather than just a disposable cleaning gadget that will break after maybe a few years of use or maybe even a year. It's not designed to replace a full-size carpet shampooer for entire homes, but for apartments, fabric, furniture, mattresses, car interiors, and pet messes, the Y100 Steam feels genuinely capable. If you want a portable cleaner that does more than just basic spot cleaning, the UWANT Y100 Steam is definitely an easy recommendation. But so far, what do you guys think of the UWANT Y100 multi-spot cleaner, which also has a steam cleaner? Would you get it for your house, apartment, or maybe even your garage? Whatever the case, share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit ugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But before that, gotta clean my car.